In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts in drawio. By the end, you'll know how to start a diagram, add and connect shapes, label everything clearly, style your chart, and export it to share or print. First, open the draw.io online editor in your web browser. It runs entirely in the browser, so there's nothing to install. You'll land on a clean workspace with a canvas in the center, a shapes panel on the left, and a formatting panel on the right. Next, start a new diagram. Click New, then choose Blank Diagram if you want full control over the layout, or pick a flowchart template to jumpstart common structures like process flows or decision trees. Templates can save time by giving you a ready-made layout, while a blank canvas is perfect for custom processes. Now find the flowchart section in the left panel. This is where you'll see common symbols: an oval for start and end points, rectangles for process steps, diamonds for decisions, and parallelograms for inputs or outputs. Click a shape to insert it or drag and drop it onto the canvas. Place a start shape at the top, then add steps in the rough order they occur. Don't worry about perfection yet. You can rearrange as you go. To connect shapes, hover over a shape until you see blue arrows appear around it. Click one of those arrows and drag toward the next shape to create a connector. Draw.io will snap and route the line neatly, and you can reposition shapes later without breaking the connections. If a path splits at a decision, drag from the diamond to each outcome so your flow is easy to follow. Add labels by double-clicking any shape or arrow and typing. Keep step names short and action-oriented, and label decision branches with clear outcomes like yes or no. You can press Enter to add a second line if a label needs a bit more detail. When your structure is in place, use the panel on the right to style it. Select a shape to adjust fill and border colors, font, and size. Consistent colors help scanning. One color for actions, another for decisions. For connectors, pick line styles, thickness, and arrowheads, and consider dashed lines for optional paths. Small, consistent formatting choices make a big difference in readability. Finally, export your flowchart. Go to File, then Export As, and choose PNG or JPG for images, SVG for crisp scaling, or PDF for printing and sharing. In the export options, set your resolution or scale and include a transparent background if you're placing the chart on colored slides. That's it, your flowchart is ready to go.